Solving problems. AI systems learn from data, identify and make decisions with minimal human intervention. One of the most significant advantages of AI is its ability to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. For instance, in the healthcare industry, AI can analyze medical records and predict potential health issues before they become critical. Similarly, in finance, AI algorithms can analyze market trends and make investment decisions in real time. Another area where AI is making a significant impact is societal questions. One of the main concerns is job displacement. As machines become more capable of performing tasks that were once done by humans, there is a fear that many jobs will become obsolete. It is crucial for governments and businesses to work together to create policies that address their challenges and ensure that workers are retrained for new roles in the AI-driven economy. Privacy is another significant concern. AI systems often require large amount of personal data to function effectively. This raises questions about how the data is collected, stored and used. Ensuring that AI technologies are developed and used responsibly is vital to protect individuals' privacy and build trust in these systems. Thank you for listening.
They can make decisions and make their own decision, and that can human analyze. AI is a broad field in which many different AI can work. Like we can see the common AI, Google Assistant, Siri, and Cortana. They are used in PC. AI include many disciplines including computer science, data analytics and statistics, hardware, software engineering and many more. An operational level for business use. AI is a set of an operational level for business of technology that are based primarily on machine learning and deep learning used for data analytics, prediction and forecasting. Now we will talk about how does AI works. While they specify vary across different AI technique, the core principle revolves around the data. Means the AI, all the work depends on AI is all about the data. Means the AI works with all the data. The intelligence provided to the AI is all about the data. Which type of data we will give to the AI, it will work according to the data. We will give the positive data, so it will use the positive data and for the human well-being. And if we will provide the negative data, so it will use the negative data and it can harm the humans. Now we will talk about some type of AI. So at first is reactive machines, limited AI that only reacts to different kind of stimuli based business leaders, or they can think about their data, they can analyze their data, that where they have to invest and how they have to launch their products, and they have to know the people interest, that what is the interest of people in their products. The second is innovation. So AI has a very great importance in innovation also, because in innovation they can do many things like in healthcare facilities and in finance. Third one is accuracy and precision. AI also do accuracy and precision, in which they do very huge calculation without errors, so which human cannot do in a short interval of time. Last one is improved safety, that AI enhance the safety of application in autonomous vehicles. Now we will talk about the disadvantages of AI. The first one is job displacement. In this, if AI will launch in the whole of the world, so it will displace the job of many of the people. Like we can say in our school, the many of the teachers get lost their job. The second one is about the privacy. AI can play with our privacy also, because AI
a time through machine learning. AI has various applications including virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, image and speech recognition, natural language processing, expert system, robotics and predictive analysis. The advantages of artificial intelligence are numerous and impact various aspects of your lives. Some of the most significant benefits of AI include automation. AI automates repetitive and hard tasks, increasing efficiency and productivity. Data analysis. AI excels in data analysis, providing insights and patterns that human might miss. Innovation. AI drives innovation in fields like healthcare, finance and transportation, leading to new products and services. Accuracy and precision. AI minimizes errors and improves accuracy in tasks like data entry and manufacturing.
और मशीनों में को मानव मस्तिष्क की तरह सोचने और कार्य करने की तरह सोचने की क्षमता प्रदान करती है। ये तकनीक तेज़ी से विकसित हो रही है। इसकी शुरुआत 20वीं सदी से हो रही है। एआई का विकास पिछले कुछ दशकों में बहुत तेज़ी से हुआ है। यह तकनीक मशीनों को मानव जैसी बुद्धिमत्ता प्रदान करती है, जिससे वे न केवल स्वायत्त रूप से काम कर सकते हैं, बल्कि सीखने, समझने और निर्णय लेने की क्षमता रखते हैं। एआई लर्निंग, नेचुरल लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसिंग और रोबोटिक्स जैसी तकनीकों का उपयोग करता है, जो मशीनों को डाटा से सीखने, भाषा समझने और स्वायत्त निर्णय लेने में सक्षम बनाती हैं। एआई के उदाहरण में स्मार्टफोन, वाहनों द्वारा आपातकालीन स्थिति में निर्णय लेना, एआई सिस्टम में नैतिकता, संवेदनशीलता आदि होते हैं, लेकिन इसमें नैतिकता, संवेदनशीलता आदि का अभाव होता है। तो अब मैं आपको एआई यानी कि कृत्रिम बुद्धिमत्ता का चिकित्सा क्षेत्र में उपयोग व्यापक रूप से हो रहा है। मशीन लर्निंग और डीप लर्निंग व तकनीकों का उपयोग करके रोगों को शीघ्र पहचान, चिकित्सा छवियों का विश्लेषण और व्यक्तिगत चिकित्सा योजना बनाई जा सकती है। एआई के माध्यम से रोगों का पूर्वानुमान लगाना व उपचार को अधिक प्रभावी बनाना संभव हुआ है। व्यापार व वित्त, ऑटोमेशन टूल्स